No Cam HDR, no sight, fingers, with a trophy taker rest.
Hey, was that pretty awesome? Hey everybody, it's Labor Day weekend and me and Vesper say hi.
Hi.
What? Show them what you got.
Thanks.
Is that your Red Ryder BB gun?
Yes.
What are we gonna go do?
Shoot some squirrels.
Yep, we're gonna go on a squirrel hunt back here real quick before we go to a cookout. I'm gonna be using the Wife 17 here.
Why?
It's a real nice accurate gun, so that way we can get a kill on a squirrel and she can see it. Hey, you hear that squirrel barking? Do you want to get closer or do you want me to shoot him?
We want to get closer.
You want to go get closer? Is the light blinking? Get him, sneak up behind that tree, okay? Be quiet.
Let's see.
Did you see him fall?
Yes, let's go get him.
Finally busted one. It's hard to see him up here. Everything's so thick. I'm gonna let Vesper find him. Hey, Stinker. Hey, I think he's over there by that big tree. You go find him, okay? We finally got one, didn't we? Well, was he shaking them leaves? Looking for acorns?
That's not a red squirrel.
Did you find him?
Yes, that's.
You can check him first. Is he dead?
Yes.
He's all dead, ain't he? Pick him up.
This is not a red squirrel.
Yeah, that's called a red squirrel.
Why are you shooting right here?
No, you see that blood right there? I shot him in the kill zone, remember? On a deer, that's the kill zone, ain't it?
Something's right here.
Yeah, he was rubbing on the trees. He was probably scratching his back, wasn't he? Labor Day weekend. Got Vesper on her first squirrel hunt. We snuck through some brush, crossed a little creek, and then finally caught this dude up here. He came out of the treetops. He had an eyeball on our location, but I was able to get the shot on him pretty quick. Was that pretty fun? Hey, was that pretty awesome?
Yeah.
What do we got to do now?
Cut this squirrel up.
Yeah, we got to go cut him up, don't we? You'll be okay. Alright, we're going to go take care of this guy. We'll see you on the next small game hunt till deer season starts.
Some more squirrels.
Yep, we got one. We got one yesterday. You hear that woodpecker?
Yeah.
He said hi.
Hi.
He's up there pecking some wood, ain't
Yes. I would say hi to him. Hi.
he? Hey guys, it's Labor Day and I just looked outside here and we got a couple squirrels out front chewing on my deer skulls. So I got the Mathews. We're gonna sneak out here and try to get a little squirrel kill video done. Got the sun coming up. It's about 6:30. So let's sneak out here. We should get a shot. There's like 3 of them. Let's see here. Man, we sat there for like 30 minutes. All they kept doing was barking at me. That was a real lightweight gold tip 500. I think that arrow flew right over his head. Oh well. We got a couple squirrels the last 2 days, so it's no big deal. Guess it ain't over till it's over, huh? Slop that dude right out of that tree. That was with my flu with a metal blunt point. He was paying attention to the side of the tree that I was on. Snuck around and you know, that's fast food in the morning. I got my Mathews bow. I like the No Cam. And I shoot it instinctive with a trophy taker rest. I use the double knocking point and it works. I bare shaft tune this thing to I can shoot it out to 30 yards and bare shaft will fly perfect. Cool squirrel hunt. I didn't think we were going to get it done. Here, let's pick this dude up. You see that right there? That's right where I was looking when he was sitting there coming down the tree, which you guys will see. An old metal blunt point. There's a slot in there to put a bleeder blade. But I just use it as a blunt. Perfection. Here.
Like that.
Yep. Cut it right there.
Gut.
Yep, that's his guts. Where's your guts?
It's right here.
Yep. Come here, let's put that tail on Mama's Jeep.
Thanks for watching E Factor Outdoors. See you next time.